Welcome to Say I Do with Lancôme, where I take you through wedding inspired looks. My name is Karen and this is my mom, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get this mother of the bride look. And we're also going to be chatting about my wedding, my mom's wedding, and just fun stuff. So if you guys want to learn about it, then keep on watching. So what we're going to do first is start off with skincare, because as you guys know, that is one of the most important steps into a makeup application. So the first product we're going to be using is the Genifique Serum, one of my favorites. You love Lancôme, ¿verdad?
Yes, I do.
She loves Lancôme. Yes, she does. She loves the creams and the makeup. This serum is so nice because it's going to help to boost the radiance in your skin. It has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid.
I love that one.
Oh yeah, you do love this one. So the next product we're gonna go in with is the Absolute Soft Creme. This is again one of my mom's favorites. It's a very luxurious cream that, how does it make your skin feel? ¿Cómo te sientes la piel después?
Soft. Very soft.
Very soft. It really makes the skin feel supple, but also is firming as well. Very relaxing.
Yeah.
Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and add some eye cream to our under eye. So I'm gonna go in with the Absolute Revitalizing Eye Cream. And I'm going to be adding this to her under eye area with the brush. This is just kind of a gentler way of applying it than with your finger. It does mimic the ring finger, so it's nice and gentle and it's not going to tug on the under eye.
I like to use sometimes soap like to wash my face, but I always have to use my night cream or day cream, or at nighttime I use the eye cream.
You wouldn't even believe my mom is a grandma of how many kids? 7? 7, 6, close to 7.
I don't know.
We don't even know anymore. Too many. And next I'm going to go in and add some primer to her T-zone area. This is going to make sure the makeup lasts all day. And pretty much I'm just going to hit wherever I feel she kind of needs it. It's normally the T-zone, but then there are other parts that I like to tap it into. So we're going to get around her laugh lines, this area, the nose, chin, and then forehead. So for this makeup technique, we're gonna go to do things a little different. I'm gonna start off with her eyebrows, then eyes, and then move back into skin. And this is kind of nice because all the products are kind of absorbing into there, and she's really just enjoying it, especially because my mom does wear masks all day for work. My mom's a nurse, she's a hospice nurse, so she's always in a mask. So I think her skin's really enjoying like the products and the prep of the skin. So while her skin's absorbing this, we're gonna get into the brows right now, and I'm going to be using the Brow Define Pencil in the shade Medium Brown. And I'm going to start by brushing up the brows with the spoolie, just kind of get them into place. Funny story about my mom's eyebrows. She used to have them really thick, like Brooke Shields thick. And when we were in our teens, you know, thinner brows were a thing, and we convinced her to start tweezing them, and she listened to us, and they're growing back, but they still look really nice and full. And my mom's always had amazing eyebrows, like they're nice and full up here. So what we're gonna do is kind of follow that so that it connects, and it just kind of looks like her brows are naturally already that full. So next I'm gonna go in and add some eyeshadow primer onto her eyelid. This is an essential for a mother of the bride look, so that we can ensure that the shadows last all day. And what I'm going to do is just add this directly onto our lid and buff it across with the blending brush. And then once I feel like I have a good amount on, I'm going to go ahead and press onto the eyelid. So for her eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the French Nude palette. I think this is perfect for a mother of the bride because the colors are so neutral, but you can also go smoky with it. And I think it matches perfectly with her dress. So, ¿cómo te sientes que me voy a casar?
Very happy for you and for us. You are the first daughter getting married.
I am.
Yep.
It's a big deal.
We are so excited.
So yes. So you guys heard that right. I am the first one in our family getting married. It's a very special moment for not just me, but also my family as well. And my mom gets to have this moment as well. Can you tell us a little bit about your wedding, Mom? Tell the world a little bit about your wedding.
My wedding was something small, but nice. We enjoy it. We married in Mexicali, and
what year?
1986. Yeah. And I don't have pictures and a video because on that time we don't used to use that a lot.
Yeah. just have one photo, ¿verdad?
I have a few photos.
I've only seen maybe a handful of their wedding photos, and her wedding look was iconic. She had a short bob, ¿verdad? Lo tenías bien cortito el pelo, and she had on this really cute little veil. It was like...
I have a picture.
How was your dress?
Short on the front and to my knees, and long to the back.
Ooh! And what did my dad wear for the wedding?
Black suit with a little bowl.
Yeah. And my dad is so funny. My dad used to, back in the 80s, my dad used to get these lifesavers, like a cherry lifesaver, and rub it on his lip to make his lips look more pink. So in their wedding photo, my dad has really pink lips. It's actually really funny. All right, I'm gonna move in and add a little bit of this metallic color on the lid. So I do the matte first so that it kind of creates this like soft velvety surface on the lid. And now I go over this, and this is gonna sit on top of that shadow so that the metallic doesn't sit into any fine lines. It kind of sits on like a softer surface. But this adds a little bit of texture, adds a little radiance, and I feel like a pop of metallic always just looks so beautiful. So next I'm going to go in with the Reflect Amethyst palette. I actually want to use a little bit of this color that's kind of like an eggplant. I think this just looks so pretty and kind of changes up that traditional look, adds a little pop of color, but it's still being wearable. And I also think that these purples look so good against brown eyes. So we're going to be adding just a little bit on here and then smoking it out. All right, so to finish off the eyes, we're gonna add some mascara, and of course we have to use a waterproof one because we know the waterworks are gonna happen during the wedding. So our favorite one is Mascara Big, and this one is waterproof. You like this one too, but you use the original one, yes. The one with the pink. So this mascara right here is great for fullness, for lengthening. It really gives the big wow factor on the lashes. And I personally find the waterproof formula to really hold its curl. OG makeup lover right here. Yes, mom. Okay, so now we're gonna move into her complexion, and we have a perfect combo for her skin to just kind of even it out and brighten it up. So we're gonna be using the Tinted Oil foundation, and I'm gonna be doing just a couple drops to even out her skin. So mom, we have some questions for you. ¿Qué piensas de Sebas? Meaning, what do you think of my fiance Sebastian?
He's a nice guy. We love him. We are very happy with him. Something that we like from him, that when he decides to propose you, to give you the ring, he comes to the house and wait for us. We wasn't at home, and he wait for us to talk to us about his plans and show the ring to us. And yeah, and your dad was very sentimental. He started crying.
Yeah, so sweet. That to me meant so much when he did that, because that just set the bar so high and just shows how much respect he has towards me and my family, and he respects my parents, even though we at this point have been living together and we've been together for 10 years, going on 11 years. Like he didn't have to do that, but he did, and it just shows just how much respect. But when you first met him, what did you think about him? We need to know that. Con tener el pelo rojo and it's a mohawk.
I know. And when he comes to the house with a noisy truck, big truck.
Next, I'm going to go in with the Tinted Oil All Over Concealer to brighten up her under eyes. Okay, so you've been married, Mom. ¿Cuántos años ya tienes? 32?
33.
33? 33?
33, 34.
What is some advice you have for me getting married, for a long-lasting marriage?
I think the best thing to stay long with your husband, I think, is communication.
Period.
Like communicate.
Yeah.
Communicate and try to understand each other.
And for the wedding, Mom, who are you excited to see the most, other than me and Sebas?
I would like to see there my dad and your grandma. But they're passed away, so they're not going to be here.
I know.
But
why did you say that, Mom?
I'm sorry.
My grandma and my grandpa.
I said my husband's mom, she passed away, and my dad, they're not here. So yeah, so there are people that I would like to see at the wedding. But I would like to see all the family, you know. I hope they can come.
All right, next I'm gonna go in and set her skin with some setting powder, and I'm pretty much just gonna tap some onto the lid. Just a very small amount, and then with a large brush, I'm gonna place the brush in there, take off the excess amount, and then just press into the skin. And pretty much I'm doing this because I don't want to put too much powder on her. I just want to set so that nothing moves and to just seal it all in. So next I'm going to hit her cheeks with some blush, and this one is called Blushing Trésor. It's like a beautiful color, and I'm going to go ahead and just kind of hit her cheeks and then work it up. Smile a little bit. Thank you. And this is really nice because it has a little bit of like a very slight bit of iridescence in there, so it's bringing a little bit of luminosity to her skin. But it's not glittery, it's not too shimmery, it just adds like this nice light. So I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeshadow to her waterline and under eyes. And I'm starting off by adding first the shadow to smoke it. This creates like a nice smoky effect, perfect for a nighttime makeup look or a night bridal look. And I don't know, I think on Mother of the Bride, this is just such a pretty touch to add to the eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that dark purple shade and just tap as close as I can to the lash line. My mom is a big fan of eyeliners. Like, she does like colored eyeliners. Your favorite's navy, right? So for the eyeliner, we're going to be using the Le Stilo waterproof eyeliner in the shade Black, right on her waterline. And as you guys saw, I did the eyeshadow first. So by doing this, we don't have to worry about it running or getting anywhere because you have the shadow there that is going to guide you. So before I move into the lip products, we're going to go ahead and set her skin with some setting spray. And this one is a Fix It Forget It. It's so great to really lock your makeup in, helps it really last all day, and overall just helps bond all the powder particles that you see right now. It's going to help to make that a little bit more of a luminous finish on the skin. For her lips, I have a really nice combo that is going to really brighten up this look. We're going to be doing a mauve lip pencil with a pinker kind of lip. So we're going to be using the Le Lip lip pencil in the shade Sheer Natural. One thing about my mom that she loves is lip colors, and she wears pinks or light pinks and corals. So this is a perfect color that I know that she'll not only wear. For her lip, we're going to be using the Le Absolute Rouge Blush Classique. It's a beautiful pink, kind of like has a little bit of like a mauve in there. So it's kind of muted. It's going to be really nice for this kind of look to brighten it all up. And the formula is probably the best part about this because it's so comfortable on the lips. Has a little bit of a shine. So pretty. And the look would not be complete without a little gloss. We're going to be using the Juicy Tubes gloss in the shade Spring Fling. When I tell you guys my mom is Lancôme #1 fan, she really is. This is actually her favorite fragrance, and we're going to be using it for today. It smells like heaven. It's so dreamy and romantic, and I want to know what you think about it. Talk about it.
I don't know, but I love it. Since you give it to me, you give one. And when I use it, people always ask me, what are you using? I say, it's a Lancôme. I forget the name, but it's a Lancôme. Karen gave it to me.
She always says it has a bow on there.
Yeah, I have a bow. I have the picture on my phone for people when ask me.
So here is the finished look on my mom. How do you feel?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. My mom looks absolutely beautiful, and we honestly can't wait for the big day. So we want to say thank you for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you are a mother of the bride, let us know if you will be recreating this look. Also, let us know in the comments down below what you want to see from Lancôme. Thanks for watching.